how to check the battery level of an Anker Soundcore 2 Bluetooth speaker. So here we have our Anker Soundcore 2 Bluetooth speaker. You want to pull the little rubber bung out the end here and plug it in to a USB-C charging cable. So I'll do that, and then when you look here, this red steady light will appear. This indicates that the Anker Soundcore 2 is charging. Now if it was flashing red, this would indicate a low battery. When it's a steady red, it's charging, and then when it changes to a steady white light, this means it's fully charged. It takes around 3 hours to charge with a 2 amp charger, or around 6 to 8 with like a phone or a laptop USB port. So hopefully that helps you out how to check the battery level of the Anker Soundcore 2 Bluetooth speaker.